quality and sustainable business growth. I am very happy to share one number. Last year around 25% branches, between 25 to 30% branches has achieved the target. But this year 51% branches has achieved the target. So participation of the branches has gone up. Total business figure has grown, total business figure has grown by 13.66% to 15.29 lakh crore. Deposit has grown 13.47 lakh percent to 8.44 lakh crore. Advances has grown by 13.89% to 6.85 lakh crore. CASA has grown by 15.3% to 3 lakh 20,000 crore. CD ratio is very healthy at 81.06%. If you see my growth between deposit and advances is very balanced, almost equal growth. And CASA also has grown by 15.30%, which is a very healthy number. RAM has grown by 14.80% to 4.17 lakh crore. Retail has grown by 18.74% to 1,46,000 crore. Agriculture has grown by 9.96% to 1.58 lakh crore. Agriculture little slow because of the new guidelines has come, but we are very comfortable. It has started picking up and going forward it will improve. MSME also grown very healthy growth. MSME earlier we used to grow in the range of 5 to 6%. Now it is growth is 17%. Corporate also, which used to grow to 3%, now we are in the range of 11.49%. Gross NPA has come down to 1.86%. YOY basis 115 basis point. QOQ basis 12 basis point. Net NPA has come down to 0. Maintained. Sequentially it has maintained 0.15%. Provision coverage ratio is at 98.22%. YOY basis 2 basis point has come down. QOQ 6 basis point gone up. Cost of deposit sequentially has come down by 3 basis point to 4.80. Yield on advances has gone up by 2 basis point to 8.09. Yield on investment has come down by 3 basis point, but because of the interest repo rate has been come multiple times, that's why yield on advances has come down. Domestic NIM we have maintained 6 basis point expansion. We have better than guidance 3.41. Return on asset it has gone up by 3 basis point on quarter to quarter basis 1.31. Net interest income very healthy growth of 17% and quarter to quarter also 5%. Operating profit quarter to quarter growth 5%. YOY growth 16%. Profit before taxes it's there. Net profit around 10% it has grown. Return on equity 19.48%. Next. So this is this is bar chart of the previous slide already. So no need to explain that. Next. Total business again, if you see 13.47% deposit growth. Current account has grown by very healthy growth of 26.33%. Saving balance has grown by 13.54%. Next. Segment wise, retail has grown by 18.75%. Retail agriculture by 9.96%. MSME by 17%. Overall, RAM share remains around 66%. That is our target between 65 to 66%. Within that segment, home loan and mortgage loan is growing by 13.36%. And in MSME, if you say good growth has come in all the segments, micro, small, medium, everywhere growth is in the range of 15 to 18%. Next. Priority sector, we have achieved all the targets. Against a target of priority sector of 40%, we have achieved 45.36. Agriculture 18%, achievement is 21.44. Small and marginal farmer target is 10%, we have achieved 10.18. Weaker section 12%, achievement is 13.30. Micro under MSME 7.5%, achievement is 11.59. Non-corporate farmer 14%, achievement is 20.67%. Even self-help group, we have almost 98% achieved the target. Mudra 101% achievement is there. PM Viskarma, PM Swanidhi, wherever requirement is there, we are participating, we are achieving. Next. Operating profit, already told, interest income has increased by quarter on quarter basis 3.49, interest expenditure 2.74%. NIS has grown by 17%. And net profit already explained somewhere, so around 10% increase in the net profit. Next. Within that segment, if you see, interest income on advances has grown by 13.32% quarterly, interest on investment 2.86%, other interest income, because we have raised green infrastructure loan, so because of that other interest income has gone up. Profit on sale of basically treasury income last year it was 560, this year it is 400. But very good thing we can see in the fee based income, good growth. If you compare from the last financial year, it has gone up from 790 to 930. And also forex income almost 100 crore jump, 181 to 281. So good jump on that also. PSLC commission almost in the same range. Next. So on expenses part also, interest on deposit 2.53% growth quarterly. Other interest expenses 14.09%. Interest on borrowing, it has come down little bit from the March, but from last year, because we remain on the borrowing side. So that's why this yearly basis it has gone up little. Salary and employee benefit, if we take it together, it has increased by around handsome margin of around 10% in salary, employee benefit 31%. So good jump is there. Staff expenses overall 18% growth is there. Overheads quarterly negative growth 1612 to 1440. Operating expenses overall has grown by 4.35%. Next. So performance ratio, cost of deposit has come down from 4.83 to 4.80. Cost of fund has come down from 4.88 to 4.83. Yield on advances has come down from 8.07 has gone up from 8.07 to 8.09. Yield on investment has come down from 6.99 to 6.86. Yield on funds has gone up from 7.95 to 8. So 5 basis point expansion is there. NIM has gone up both domestic and global by 6 basis point from 3.23 to 3.29, 3.35 to 3.41. Cost to income ratio, if you see compare from the March it has come down almost same, but whole year last year was 46.03, which has come down to 44.80. Return on asset 1.28 to 1.31, it has gone up. Return on equity from March also it has gone up from 18.98 to 19.48. Earning per share is 97.20 annualized. Book value per share 510.72. Business per employee 35.62. It has gone little down because fresh recruitment has happened. Probationary officer we have taken, which they have joined in April. Because of that has come down little bit. Business per branch 248 crore. Net profit per employee 31.2. Next. So these are basically pictorial diagram of the whatever we discussed earlier. Next. Capital, we are very comfortable in capital position, 17.58% capital. Out of which tier 1 is 16.51 and tier 2 is 1.06%. Very strong capital base we have. Next. This is the government holding 73.84. Here one thing, FII are taking good stake. It has increased from 5.86 to 6.27%. Our rating is AAA. International rating is also BBB stable. Next. NPA, we have done good on asset quality front. Asset quality, gross NPA has number also has come down. Percentage also has come down. Percentage it has come down from 1.98 to 1.86. YOY basis from 3.01 to 1.86. Net NPA also 0.15 we have maintained. AUC recovery in return of account is 751 crore. MOI means memoranda interest recovery is around 198 crore. Total recovery plus subcredation 1885 since September 2022. Our recovery is more than slippages. So our recovery for the quarter Q1 is 1885 against slippage of 1300. Provision coverage ratio is very healthy at 98.22%, so hardly anything to be provided for. 1000 crore if I provide, net NPA will become 0. Then slippage ratio is 0.77, credit cost is also 0.23, very manageable. Next. SMA account, overall SMA account has come down on YoY basis from 7.99 to 4.69 and sequentially also from 4.73 to 4.69. SMA 2 amount by little, it has gone up from 900 to 22 to 1112. One account DCCO because of DCCO, but that will be upgraded, so no cause of concern. Next. Financial inclusion, consistently we are achieving all the target. Maybe it is PMJDY, maybe it is PMJJBY, maybe it is PMSBY. All targets, APY, all targets we are achieving, and number of claims settled, PMJJBY under PMJJBY and PMSBY. PMJJBY we have settled approximately 42,000 claims, and now around in PMSBY around 8,500 claims. Next. Now I will request my colleague Mr. Asutosh to take through the digital part.
So we thought this time.
Welcome to Indian Bank. Here are the highlights of our digital business.
Yeah, please carry on. So we thought this time let us take some digital steps to showcase you people how digitally we are going forward. We have a lot of bot implemented for collection and all those things. So we thought let us the bot also talk something about the digital journey of the bank. So now let us, after listening to our bot, let us take a little more deep dive into the digital business. The mobile banking users has grown by 22% and the transaction has grown by 14%. Similarly, in UPI, users has grown by 21% and transaction has grown by 35%. In internet banking, it is 3% growth in user base. The FASTag user base is catching up very fast. It has grown by 79%. We have recently tied up with one of the vendor for FASTag distribution. The next one is the debit card. The user base has grown by 11% and the POS user has also grown by 40%. This is also one of the initiatives that bank has taken in the last quarter of the last financial year. So this has shown result now. Now in the IndSmart, as we listened, the user base is 2.48 crore. Almost 12 lakh plus new users has enrolled in the IndSmart retail. The financial transaction value is 61,000 crore. It's a growth of 33% and the number of transactions, if you see 2 crore transaction has been done. The non-financial transaction is 69 plus crore and there are 330 plus functionalities available in this app. Last year we launched IndSmart Biz. It has registered a customer base of 1,07,000 plus. The platform uses is 3.8 lakh plus users has been done in this platform, and the financial transaction value is 13,000 plus crore, which is an increase of 75% over the last quarter. And the non-financial transaction is 5 plus lakh crore, which is a 4 times increase of the Q4 of financial year 26. And if you see the term deposit through IndSmart, that has grown in a healthy pace. It's a 64% YoY growth, which is increased from 3,643 crore to 5,957 crore in Q1 FY27. This is the digital business growth of the bank. If you see, starting from the retail asset, from agri asset, MSME, corporate credit and the liability side, in every space we have grown in every quarter. So with this growth, we would also like to showcase you the digital adoption percentage of Indian Bank. In the liability side, the adoption has grown to 62%. Retail, it is 96%. Retail means retail asset. Agri asset is 97%. MSME is 61%. And EBG is 11%. This ULI was launched by RBI last year, and we are one of the front runner using ULI. This is Unified Lending Interface, like UPI for lending purpose. RBI has done this. we had done a business of 18,300 plus crore in ULI platforms, and the number of number of account is 1,60,000 plus, and we had a target of 2,000 crore for Q1, and we have achieved the target, rather surpassed the target with 700 crores. And the services those are given in ULI is given here: landowner details verification, PAN verification, penny drop, audio confirmation with vernacular language, that is the best benefit. Then we have a tie-up with Avin for this particular financing to farmers. Now there are some key initiatives which is on an ongoing basis. We had listed this VBX. One is CRM platform, one is in-case Optima, and there are certain digital journeys and AI initiatives. One by one we'll just go through this. First, starting with VBX. This is a concept we started it in the 1 year back.
Here are the highlights of our virtual banking experience, VBX platform. 10.8 million VBX customers across Basic, Emerge, Vibe and Spark are driving our digital growth. SB grew 18.8% year on year to 35,555 crore rupees. That's in Gindak. With our VBX platform experience, the privileged banking experience.
This particular VBX platform is catching up very fast because of certain exclusive benefits that are given to these VBX customers that we have listed here, and some of the benefits that we are going to pass on are that is also listed, like home delivery signed and sealed statement, enhanced mobile experience, mobile app experience, like e-tax filing. With this platform we can do e-tax filing. So these are the things that we are in the process of implementation. Next is this consumer relationship management. We say IND Engage Hub. Till that time we used to showcase you people that we are doing this, but this time we have tried to showcase you people after implementation of this what kind of business we have garnered. So this CRM we have started in a pilot one in our FGM Mumbai. So the business that has been garnered during this period is 504 crore, something through call center and something through physical channel. The next one is the in-case Optima. This is our CMS platform. We are discussing this CMS platform for quite some time. Now we are showcasing what kind of business we have garnered. So the CASA mobilization through in-case Optima is 6,300 crore, which is a growth of 75% year on year. And the total collection volume is 24,710, which is an increase of 24% year on year basis. These are the digital journeys that we have gone, what we have discussed, 150 plus digital journeys. This is all these digital journeys. Now there are some AI initiatives bank has taken along with this digital journeys. So the first one is the employee assist. We have implemented this employee assist 1 year back, and now we are showcasing that in this quarter 12,342 employees have logged in this employee assist platform to understand or to answer the queries of 31,385. We have implemented this agentic AI collection on a pilot basis. So this AI has done 1.90 lakh calls for 85,000 accounts with a recovery of 194 crore. So this is the benefit we had given here. Then we had also implemented one AI-enabled regulatory compliance. Wherever the regulator issued guidelines, immediately this AI platform reads all these guidelines and gives us what to do and where we are. Then we have a slice scoring model for MSME, where we have 660 accounts have been scored with an amount of 989 crore. And the AI and Gen AI initiative under implementation has shown here. These are the ongoing AI initiatives we are doing. This corporate ecosystem engine, RFP creator, all these things will save the employee's time. It will collect information, draft the report and place it. Thereafter, the employee will go through that and he will approve or he will take a call. The decision will be taken by the employee. Now the key initiative that we have implemented in the recent period is UPI mandate interoperability. This is a new initiative. Suppose I am giving an example. In Google Pay you have placed a payment order. Suppose it is for payment of your mobile bills. So, and that is linked to my Indian bank account. You can change that amount in Indian by logging into Indian bank in Smart app. So this is known as interoperability. Suppose by mistake you have given an order or placed an request or instruction, that can be changed with interoperability. Similarly, this PMEGP portal is developed by Indian Bank 2.0. We have also tied up with BIT for Indian Bank co-branded prepaid meal cards for the student of BIT. Then we have suspected money mule identifier. All these things that we have implemented during this period of time. And in FinTech initiative also we have a bulk payment facility given to our customers, tax collection, QR based ticketing solution, many things we have given. The initiative which are under implementations is that FASTag acquiring and MLFF. We are confident that we will soon launch this particular thing. Then digital personal data protection partnership with POS aggregator. This has been done and we are implementing this POS aggregator from this quarter. Cloud migration, data lake, robotic process automation, and one resilience operation center we are establishing. Thank you.